Are you looking for the best framing hammer in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 10 best framing hammer that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 10 is the STANLEY FatMax Rip Claw Hammer, 16 Oz 51163. The STANLEY FatMax is 16 ounces, so it comes in about moderate when it comes to weight, making it easier for you to carry around and use. It also uses a patented anti-vibe technology that helps to minimize the overall vibration and the shock when it impacts with anything, protecting your body. The torsion control in the grip means that it also reduces torque in your wrists and elbows. The one-piece, forged steel design makes it even more durable and means that it will last longer and accomplish more tasks with ease. Compared to traditional hammers, it also has a 75% larger strike face, which makes it easier to hit what you're aiming at and get more power behind it. Add in a non-slip handle that makes it easy to hold even if you get warm or if the handle gets wet, and you're going to have something that can work just about anywhere. Coming in at number 9 is the Dalluge 70-180 16-ounce titanium hammer. The Dalluge 70-180 hammer is made of titanium, which means that it's strong and durable for anything you need to do. It weighs in at only 16 ounces, which is about moderate for a framing hammer, giving you enough weight to get the job done, but not so much that it's tiring for you to use. The milled face means that it's not going to slip on nails or anything else that you need to use it with, and the hickory handle is made to minimize shock, so you feel more comfortable using it for an extended period. The nail holder is magnetic and actually holds both standard and duplex nails, making it easier for you to continue on with the job. There's an overstrike guard that protects you and the handle and the nail puller on the side. Plus, the reinforced claws provide even more leverage for getting out stubborn pieces. At number 8, we have the Estwing E3 22s 22 ounces straight claw hammer with smooth face and shock reduction grip. The Estwing framing hammer is available in a flat face or milled face option, so you can get your own preference. It's 22 ounces, which is still somewhere in the middle when it comes to total weight, giving you enough power, but not too much bulk. That makes it good even for closer spaces where you don't have a lot of room. Forged in one piece, it's designed to be durable and long-lasting. The deep forge process and tempering help to reinforce this even more. Not only that, but it is made in the USA with American steel and has a shock reduction grip that helps to reduce impact by up to 70%. It's 16 in total length, which provides the right amount of balance when you're trying to hit anything, and it's hand polished to get the best possible look right from the start. You'll also have an ergonomic handle that is simple and comfortable to hold. At number 7, we have the Stiletto Ti 14 Mixed Stiletto Tools Titan 14-ounce titanium framing hammer with curved. The Stiletto Tools Inc. hammer is made of titanium to increase overall strength and durability for more intense projects. It's 14 ounces, which is a moderate weight for your framing needs. It provides less shock and recoil than an average steel hammer, and the titanium gives more driving force than steel, which means you get more for your effort. The ergonomic style hickory handle is curved to give you a bit more leverage on each swing. Not only that, but it has a magnetic nail start that makes it easier for you to hold the nail in the right place and to make sure that it's inserted properly while you work. At 18 long, it's a little longer than some other framing hammers, which means you'll need a little more space in order to swing it effectively, but you'll be able to get more strength at the same time. There is less strain overall on your wrist while you're hammering as well. Coming in at number 6 is the Stiletto TIBONE 15 ounces milled curved titanium framing hammer. We've been using Stiletto titanium hammers since 2010. Our first experience came with the Stilletto 12 ounces titanium remodeler hammer. We could care less about the multicolor replaceable handles. Stick with black. This isn't kindergarten. However, we do like that you can replace both the grip and the face, the two wearable parts of this tool. That makes your $300 investment one that should last a lifetime, unless you lend it to a friend or lose it. Weight and balance are perfect on this framing hammer. We recommend and prefer the milled face, though you can swap it for a smooth face $35, or even use an available mallet cover $20. The extra deep magnetic nail holder with brass bushing allows for confident starts and a full strike on the nail head. A side nail puller gives you tons of leverage. Stiletto, now owned by Milwaukee Tool, even makes this hammer in the USA. You can find a less expensive hammer, but we doubt you'll find a better one. Halfway through at number 5 is the DeWalt DWHT50 1008 ToughSeries 22 ounces demo hammer. This hammer has an oversized strike face and a handy grip point on the handle. While its swing differs from that of a traditional steel hammer, it resembles the STANLEY FatMax fubbar. I use it to grip and twist 2x4s effectively when using a nailer in your other hand to secure studs. I also love the integrated side nail puller, which also has a second slot. This makes it an effective staple puller as well. With a milled face, it functions as an excellent framing hammer. I like the magnetic nail starter and the thick grip, though yellow gets dirty fairly quickly. The near straight claw allows for plenty of leverage, and this is my go-to hammer when framing walls, as I use it to grasp and twist 2x studs to straighten them out before nailing to the bottom plate. Works great for blocking as well. At number 4 we have the Vaughan and Bushnell 2170 Dalluge 21 ounces framing hammer. The Vaughan and Bushnell 2170 Dalluge framing hammer features a 21-ounce waffled head. As a framing hammer, we love the simple design. The 17-inch hickory handle feels great in the hand and gives you a comfortable swing. The black color is nice and doesn't affect the feel and vibration dampening characteristics of hickory. The steel head on this hammer also features a magnetic nail holder. Of all the hammers I tested, this tool felt most like the quintessential framer. The third product on our list is the Vaughan, California framing hammer 19 ounces milled face. For years, the most ubiquitous hammer was the Estwing 24 ounces steel framer at $40.50. However, the 19 ounces Vaughan, California framing hammer with milled face seems to deliver more for less. The $28 Vaughan, California framer offers consistent performance with a traditional feel. I really like the balance of this tool. The face, while not aggressively textured, provides good grip on nails as you strike. The traditional claw provides enough leverage, and you don't get many frills, but that's what we like about this budget hammer. Second on our list is the Estwing E322SM 22 ounces solid steel framing hammer. The Estwing E322SM 22 ounces solid steel framing hammer is known for its durability and reliability. It features a solid steel construction, which provides strength and reduces the risk of the head separating from the handle. The hammer has a long handle and a straight claw, making it easy to drive nails and pry materials apart. The nail head is also designed to provide a secure grip on the nail, preventing slippage during use. With its solid steel construction and versatile design, the Estwing E322SM is a favorite among professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Finally, the top product on our list is the Vaughan and Bushnell RS 17mm 17 ounces milled face framing hammer. The Vaughan and Bushnell RS 17mm 17 ounces milled face framing hammer is a heavy-hitting tool that is perfect for driving nails into tough materials. It features a milled face, which provides extra grip and prevents the hammer from slipping off the nail head. The hammer also has a hickory handle, which offers durability and a comfortable grip. With its heavy-hitting power and milled face design, the Vaughan and Bushnell RS17ML is a top choice for professionals who need a reliable and effective framing hammer. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.